Hello Excel gladiators, welcome back to another video. Excel tip number 5 is the Sumifs function. So the Sumifs function is a function to sum cells that meet multiple criteria. The Sumifs function can be used to sum values when corresponding cells meet criteria based on dates, numbers, and text. Sumifs also supports logical operators like less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to, and wildcards like the asterisk and the question mark for partial matching. So in this example, we want to find the total or the sum of the items if the color is red. So I will go over here, select the cell, select the function, and then I'll select the Sumifs function. And then we will, for the sum range, we'll select the total column, or you could just select the range, doesn't matter. And you can select the criteria, which will be the color column, so it has all the colors in it. And then there's only going to be one criteria for this example, so it will be the color red. So I'll just select the cell that says red. And now that formula will sum up the total only for the color red. So select OK, creates the formula for us up here. And then you can see the total for items with the color red is $175. Now, what if there's multiple conditions? So for instance, red and Texas. So I'll go back to the formula bar. We'll select Sumifs again. Again, we'll select column E for sum range. Criteria range 1 will be color, the color column. And then criteria 1, we'll actually type it out. It'll be red in quotations. Criteria range 2 is going to be the state. So we're going to select all the states. So we'll select the state column, and then we will input the great state of Texas.
That flag is mine! Don't mess with Texas! Shock and awe, losers! Shock and awe!
So now we have the sum if it meets 2 criteria instead of 1. And you can see the total is $88 for red and Texas. So one last note is that I always use the Sumifs formula over the Sumif formula, since it'll also work for just 1 criteria or 127 criteria, which is the maximum criteria you can have. So I hope the Sumifs function saves you a lot of time like it does for me. And if you enjoyed this tip, drop a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.